Dude. Sport Trac versus Snowdrift, round 1. Oh my god. Oh. Look at that shit. Damn. Now where's it parked? What are you doing, man?
There's no place for me to go.
For real?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna leave it there?
No.
You can park it right there. Next, the parking job. Sailor. Oh shit. No way. Dude, stop. You're gonna hit the car. No way. Oh, dude, keep going. Keep going. You're in. You're in. Oh my God. Dude, you're good. You're good. You're good. Dude, that was insane. You did the impossible. All right, see, that's Joe's truck. That's a car.